The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Ford F-150 with the standard 6.5 foot bed. And we've just installed the Retrax Pro XR retractable bed cover. So the Pro is the aluminum slats, and the XR means that we have this very awesome track that runs along the side. So that track allows you to add additional accessories or racks down the road. So whether you have intention on adding racks to it at the time of purchase or not, it's not too much more and definitely comes in handy and less stressful in case you do need to add something down the road. So this is the manual version. There is a power option available. So with the manual option, you have this cover here. It's a little weather cover. You've got a lock and you press this button to release the handle. So it's obviously unlocked. And from here, we can go ahead and open her up. So we can actually stop it anywhere we want, close it, lock it, and then it's not gonna open up or close from there. So all that retracts down into the canister. So the canister is gonna take up some of your bed. So that may not be ideal for everybody, but other options would roll or fold up and then cover your back window. So kind of a trade-off for whichever retractable cover you choose. But you can see here, still a good amount of usable space underneath. We've got our drain tubes, one on the right, one on the left. You do have to drill holes. We chose to drill the holes into the removable covers. A lot easier than drilling into the actual metal. And if you ever want to go completely back to factory, you can just pick up those replacement covers from Ford. The way the cover attaches, you have 4 brackets, 2 on each side. Those simply clamp onto the open bed rail. There's another look. So currently some great rack options for this particular bed cover. Mostly Yakima racks, so the Overhaul HD, the Outpost, and also the Skyline Tower. So kind of a high, medium, and low option there. Go ahead and close it up. Press the button, release the handle. There it is, super easy. Still have full operation of the tailgate. You see here, you got a nice closed area. Really super duper weather resistant. From what I've been told by customer feedback, they're not 100% waterproof because there are gaps in the actual truck itself. But when installed properly, it does a great job at keeping the water out. It's kind of hard to see here, but there are places where the bed joins that you can actually see gaps. But that's just a manufacturing I guess tolerance, but you can see here everything else is sealed off really nicely. And again, you have the canister which can collect water and drain that out of the drain tubes. So really great system, keeping all your gear protected from not only weather but also from walking away. So there you go, that's a look at the Retrax Pro XR on this 22 F-150 standard bed. Of course, they make one for the short bed model as well. I think they make one for the long bed. I'm not too sure. We don't get too many long beds around here. But for more details, pricing, and availability, visit our website or click the link in the description below, and that'll take you back to the webpage for this, where you can see more pictures, pricing, and easy ordering with just a couple clicks. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. But that's it for this one. And like always, thanks for watching.